Hi guys, it's another Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and we were going to, yes, I say hubby and I, we're going to move this cabinet into the dining room, and we thought that was just a tiny tidy, and it ended up being a mighty tidy, so stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, my name is Michelle, and this is my everyday wife life. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and like and share. And don't forget to leave me a comment and tell me what you tiny tidied today. Okay, situation here, messy. Hubby and I are gonna do a thing. He's emptying out that cabinet, and we're moving it because we think he's going to build built-in library shelves. So that's all going. That's going in the dining room. Yeah, but he don't want me to film in, so we'll do before and after. And I still have all my fall stuff. Deciding what to do with it. But I have two empty bins. I showed that in last video. Also, guess what, guys? You know what that means. If he's going to do built-ins, build built-ins, we have to replace the carpet first before he does that. New carpet in here means we get new carpet in here too. Work in progress. I'm not sure when that's happening, but first step is to move that cabinet in here. Move the trunk. Don't know where that trunk's going. I have wanted to paint it. How many times have I told you all that? You've seen that. Not sure. I want to paint it this green color or white maybe. Not white, like a cream color. I've seen Live It Like Lisa do it on her channel. She had white trunks. I don't know if she painted them, but I think she did because usually trunks don't come white. So I like the way that looked. And I'm going to use this for like photo storage, keepsake storage, I think. I've said that many times. Hasn't happened yet. I missed it. Root jumped in the cabinet and was climbing in there. Also, it is Wednesday, so I'm going to do my zone cleaning in here. And don't get too excited. There ain't a whole lot going to be happening other than just moving that today, right, babe?
Right after that, our backs are going to be dying.
Yeah. So, we're old now, so we have to do things little by little. Anyway, that whole shelf needs fixed up, and those baskets need to go. Calvin tore those up, and the kittens have added to that, so those baskets kind of need to go. They have like photo albums in there and stuff. Anyway, and I plan on decorating this today. I haven't done it for fall yet. I think I'm gonna go right into Halloween since it is October already. I'm not want to change that out. So I'm wondering, I want to do something, put that somewhere else. I don't know where though. It's not a new playground. They think it's a new playground. All these are empty boxes. They're going. Keyboard. The TV's going on the patio. Eventually. It's a work in progress. For sure. And this room's probably going to be a mess for a little while until we figure everything out. While he's doing that, I'm going to come in the laundry room and put some of this stuff away. I think I'm just going to do the snap my fingers thing. But this bin is from when I decluttered. When I did that 30-day challenge with Denise, Jordan, at this and that one. That's all paperwork that needs to be trashed, shredded. Anyway, I'm going to snap my fingers and put all this stuff away. We got a Target order the day before yesterday. And we keep saving this coffee grounds and never ended up putting it on the plants. I don't know what our problem is. Let's just snap. What is there something fuzzy over there? What is that? There's 2 pieces of bread. How did that happen? We had some cat stealers doing that. Why would there be bread there? They must have stole the piece of bread and hid it under there. I have no idea. Don't forget, this is a collab put together by Sunday Dawn at The Helpful Home. So when you're done watching my video, you're going to click on the playlist and you're going to watch everyone else's video to get some more motivation to do a tiny tidy. Who is under there? Who is it? Rue?
Rue.
Oh, Zeke's over here. Rue's hiding under the... He's protesting. Well, how are we supposed to move that? Rue?
Are you going to go show him the piece of bread?
Yeah, I already did. I do not know how a piece of bread got over there. Cat's must have dragged it over there or something, but why? I have no idea. I don't want to know how that got there. So yeah, that fuzzy thing that was in the corner, that was a mouse. Yeah, that was when we used to let Calvin and Hobbs outside, and one of them must have brought a mouse in, and that's where it hit. I don't know. They must have grabbed a piece of bread from the kitchen when that happened. Oh, look at the carpet. You're scrunching it.
Yeah, I'll fix it.
How? I suppose it doesn't matter. We're getting new carpet anyway. Then we got to move all this stuff off. We're going to carpet that first, right? Because that's got easy stuff to move. Then we'll have to move everything from in here to there, okay, so we can put new carpet in here.
Before anything else happens, give me a site alignment.
What does that mean? Exactly in the middle of the wall.
Okay, get a tape measure.
All right, so we have to rehang this because we put the wall unit in the middle here. And that's not in the middle.
Watch out, squirrel.
I'm sure I need to dust this. Oh, I love this. Has a not recessed top on it. I forgot about that because our armoire doesn't have a flat top on it. I hate that. Sorry for the darkness. We do not have a light in here because this is supposed to, if you're new here, this is supposed to be a living room. But our dining room furniture didn't fit over there, so we made this the dining room, but a library. We didn't need a second living room anyway. So it's dark. I could go get the, what do you call it? But I'm not. So I don't think I've dusted this since we got it. We got it for $50 on Facebook Marketplace. I really like it. All right, this is more than a tidy tidy. This is a mighty tidy. I don't know if I'm filming this for Tiny Tidy Tuesday or to do it as just a cleaning video, zone cleaning video. I don't know. He's putting all the books back. And I'm using the Method wood cleaner. I'm contemplating getting rid of this. It doesn't fit anywhere. So there's my son and Pixel. Who's that? That's Abby. That's me and Pixel. And five? Is he 5 years old? Pixel. So then that, I don't know. You do the math. That's son and I at is that in Yellowstone or something? I think so. And then my sister and Abby and Michaela. They're 12 and 14 now. So, yeah, I'm sure there's some more pictures on here too. I've had this like picture screen forever, but I don't know. I have to think about it. I can't seem to get rid of it. I don't know where to put it though. Maybe in my craft room. I don't know. All right, I got some of it cleaned up. The snapping fingers thing didn't work too good. Got clothes in the dryer. This whole thing needs to be cleaned up. Hey y'all, it kind of took us all day, well, from like 12 to 5 o'clock to finish all that up. But right now we are taking a lunch break, and watching Jeopardy is our favorite thing to do on Pluto TV. We have been watching old episodes of that and kind of having a family thing doing that every day. So it's been fun. So I'm going to finish dusting here and finish putting everything back together. Work in progress. And I still have to do my daily chores, which includes one load of laundry, although it ends up being every other day doing that. So I'm still doing my zone cleaning, but I have to also do my daily chores. The bluebirds peaceful to sing along that I love you. Oh, 그대여 나와의 거리를 걸어요. Paris with you. 난 그저 잔디밭에 누워 있어도 좋아요. 저기 Eiffel Tower shines from anywhere 아름다워. I am throwing away this window cleaner by the Honest Company. It was streaking horribly on my mirror in the master bedroom, so I just emptied it out and threw it away. Still have all these boxes to tend to and clean up that corner. Hubby did throw away that rat for me, and I'm folding laundry. Just looking at my dirty floor. It needs vacuumed and mopped in here. I do end up doing it, but I don't know, for some reason I forgot to film it. So yeah, and the staircase, that's a work in progress. I don't know why it gets all cluttered up. That's not my stuff. That's hubby's stuff. Hopefully he'll get that cleaned up eventually. And remember those placemats that I took out of the cabinet in the kitchen when I made a drinking station? Yeah, I still haven't found a place for it. And when I was going to put them in the hutch right here, I noticed we had a little cat accident on the placemats. Wonderful. So I had to wash all of the placemats, and I end up putting them back the next day. You'll see that here in a minute. And I keep all of my Christmas stuff, not all, some of my Christmas stuff in this cabinet, but I'm not going to organize that now. When Christmas comes around, I'll be redoing that and maybe decluttering some of that stuff and taking more stuff out of the garage for Christmas and putting in there, because there's some empty drawers in there, so I can store more Christmas stuff in there so I don't have to store it in the garage anymore. Wish I could put the placemats in that drawer right there, but it doesn't fit with the silverware. I end up finding another place for that. I put this basket in the pantry, and I donate some of those placemats, the ones that are looking a little worn, and I do end up keeping the plastic ones so I can use them in the breakfast nook when the kiddos come over, which is rarely these days, but they actually happen to be coming over today. As I'm doing my voiceover, they're going to come and swim in the pool. But this is like a week later. I'm just putting all the things away, putting the garbage in the garage. Hubby usually takes care of that for me. And I'm taking out something for dinner along the way. Still have to do all those other things. My pantry is a disaster again. That will be coming in an upcoming Tiny Tidy Tuesday, hopefully soon. Just taking a little break here and assessing what else needs to be done. Hubby is going through the boxes and decide which ones he's keeping and which ones he's not. And I need to judge the fall stuff there and put a few more things away.
walking in Chucky Eiffel Tower. Shines from anywhere out in the world. When I'm not with you, all these shiny seas don't mean a thing.
That's all recyclable?
Yeah.
Okay. Putting some of this decor on this other shelf. I want to rearrange this whole shelf and decorate that, although I don't know, that's going to be ridiculous because when we get the new bookshelf, but it'll be a while before they get built, all that stuff is going on the new bookshelves, and those small bookshelves are going bye-bye. And I attempt to move this trunk. It's kind of hard. There are some old books in there that hubby's father gave to us. They're antiques. And I attempt to hide the trunk with the fall blanket here for now until I get around to painting it. How long have I said I'm going to paint this trunk? I don't know. Maybe I'll get my sister to paint that for me. She's good at that. Maybe she could do that for me and I'll pay her to do that. And that thing you see on my knee there, and don't worry, it is just a compression sleeve that my knee is sore from walking because I have been doing the Walk 30-Day Challenge. Have you joined me? You can still do that. All right, next day is Thursday, and I just finished doing a couple more things in this zone. So my intention was to clean and decorate the entryway for Halloween, and I didn't get to doing that in this video, so I will do that next time. So stay tuned to next week's Tiny Tidy Tuesday when I will be doing that in the entryway. Don't forget, one drawer, one cabinet, one closet at a time. It will get done, and we can do this together on Tiny Tidy Tuesdays. Don't forget to click the playlist right here in the end screen and get some more motivation. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.